Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, mates. I'm going to tackle the background of the theory. Introduction explains that presentation is about the moral development theory developed by Lawrence Kohlberg. This theory explains how a person's sense of right and wrong develop as they grow. It focuses on how people make moral decisions and how their reasoning change from childhood to adulthood. This theory explains how a person learns the sense of right and wrong when they're growing up. It looks at how people make their moral decisions and how their thinking change from childhood to adulthood. Kohlberg's theory was influenced by the idea of Jean Piaget, who first studied how children think and reason. Building on Piaget's work, Kohlberg conducted research mainly with young children to understand how they respond to situations where they must choose between right and wrong. Kohlberg was influenced by James Piaget's ideas. He studied how children respond in the situation that they would choose right or wrong. It also explains that morality begins in early childhood and it's shaped by different factors such as family, environment, education, and social experience. Kohlberg discovered that children do not think all the same way about moral problems. Instead, their judgment depends on their level of moral development. Morality starts in early age and is shaped by the family, environment, education, and social experiences about moral problems. Their judgment depends on, on the level of their moral development. His main goal was to understand why children think a certain action is right or wrong, not just whether they say it is good or bad. He focused on the reasoning behind their answers rather than the answer itself. Why kids think something right or wrong, not just what they think, but also he focused on the reasoning behind their answer.
Good day everyone, my name is Rib Janel Ando, and I will be explaining the first level of moral development theory of Lawrence Kohlberg, which is the pre-conventional level. This level usually occurs in children around 3 to 7 years old. At this level, moral reasoning is based on reward and punishment. In simple terms, ang bata mag-decide kung sakto ba or sayop ang action depende kung mapanisyan ba sila o naa sila'y reward na makuha. There are two stages in the pre-conventional level. The first stage is avoiding punishment. In this stage, a child follows rules because they are afraid of punishment. For example, ang bata dili mangupi sa exam, not necessarily because they know cheating is wrong, but because mahadlok sila nga masakpan or kasabaan sa ilang maestra. The second stage is self-interest. Here, a person acts based on personal benefit. For example, ang bata, gitabangan niya ang classmate na maghimo sa ilang higayon sa mga eskwelahan, ilang bumulatunon. Tapos, gipermission siya nga tagaan siya snacks pagmahuman ang ilang homework. So, the action may seem good, but the reason is for personal gain. So, overall, in the pre-conventional level, children follow rules mainly to avoid punishment or to get rewards. And that's all. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Cadet Dasal. So my report for today is all about conventional labor. So 8 to 13 years old are usually begin to value social relationship. So unsa man gid ang social relationship nganong need mo gid na siya i-value? So nga naman gyud important ang social relationship. Social relationship refers to the communication or bond we have with others, like families, friends. It's about how interact, support, refers to each other. Like, for example, guys, kailangan mangyod sa mga bata, guys, ang social relationship kay tungod sa atong pabag-o nga society o tungod sa technology. I mean, sa social media kay ang mga bata man jud, ang magsige naman gud na sila og tutok sa social media, murag mawad-an sila og kanang confidence sa ilang kaugalingon makipag-interact sa laing tao. Like sa mga parents magid karon sa mga kuan karon nga generation kung tan-awon magud nato ang palibot or atong namatigdan sa atong mga families or sa atong mga ig-agay nga na ang ilang jud mga anak karon is bisag wala pay buot or kanang bata pa jud kayo mga pila pa ka months ginapatanaw na nila Cocomelon, Miss Rachel, mga inganana bitaw unya kung ato nang padayonon hantod sa ilang pagdako na possible nga mahimo na silang brat. Like for example bitaw guys kung anon man gud mga bata kung anaron man gud sa mga inganana wala ta kabalo di ba? Or sa ilang pagdako na nila na sila sa saktong edad naaman joy lahi nga kana ang personality ang social media like for example makakita siya og magpinaras magbinastos di ba mga bata dali ra man gud na sila maka-apply mao nang need yun nato og kuan social relationship. Pinakauna is good boy and good girl attitude. At this stage, a person wants to be seen as good by others. They follow rules, gain approval for families, friends, or society. So, dili ta makaingon nga ang mga bata kuno, or I mean, kanido nga idaron, mga pangidaron, 8 to 13 is nanadjuday mga buot. Like, kanang mutuon na sila sa mga kuan, kanang makabalo na sila nga, ay kung buhaton ko ni nay tao na di ay nga masakitan lagi nga na siya. So I have an example dili ko man cheat kay kuan kanang aron dili ma-disappoint akong mama. The focus of being accepted and maintaining good relationship mao na siya ang good boy good girl attitude. Next is stage 4 order morality. At this stage, individual believes law and rules must be followed to maintain peace and order in society. There is strong respect for authority and legal system. Stealing is wrong because it is against the law. Individuals not thinking about the importance of rules and maintaining social ability.
So good day ma'am, mate, sir. I'm Ray Constantine Hanaw. So today I'm going to talk all about the last part of level and stages of moral development, which is the post-conversional. So first, what is post-conversional? Post-conversional level begins with an 18 age or adulthood. So this level is the third and highest level of moral thinking or moral development. At this point, people think for themselves about what is wrong or right. But they did not follow the rules or laws or what other people say because they use their own moral principle to decide it, even if those belief or principle is not accordance with the law or social convention. So, ang buot pasabot na kadto is kini ko ang level of moral development is gasugod ko na siya sa 18 or adulthood, which is atong pangedad karon. Ang ginamin lang ani ang isa ko no katawo is makauna na para sa iyang kaugalingon kung unsa ba gyud ang sayop or sakto. But dili sila ga-follow sa rules or laws or mga tinuohan sa laing tao kay naman sila kuan strong principle silang kaugalingon nga mao ilang ginasunod. Even nga ang ilang principle kay sayop sa mata sa balaod. In this level, dili na ito mag-debate ang pagka-mature, di pareha sa pre-conversional o conversional nga ka-follow and follow sila sa rules and regulation kay kakadlo ko sila i-face ang consequences or reward nga madawat nila. But in this level, dili ma-develop na nato itong pagka-mature, pagka-independent thinking o ma-develop na itong strong principle o aside ana willing na ta mo do sa right things o willing ta mo face sa consequences or reward nga badawat nato as long as kabalutas atong kagalingon nga sakto atong ginabuhat og fair sa laing tao. And in this level of moral development, there are two kind of stages of moral principle, which is the social contract and principles. But in addition, the difference between the stages and level of moral development is the level of moral development is the way to describe how people think about the right and wrong at a different level of life. So ang pasabot lang ito is muni siya ang describe sa panghunahuna sa isang katao ug unsa bagid ang sayop or sakto sa laing-laing level sa kinabuhi or sa pag-edad. Like for example, ang pre-conversional is ma-develop siya sa 3 to 7 ug ang conversional ma-develop siya sa 8 to 13 ug kining post-conversional is ma-develop ni siya sa 18 above or adulthood. Ug ang stages naman is muni siya ang ang step sa isang katao aron makakatpang bitaw kung sa sayop or sakto. So balik ta sa stages sa moral development, which is the social contract and principle. So first, social contract. The social contract is agreement between the people to follow the rules and law. So a person does not follow the law because it is a law or rules. They follow because they understand it helps in our society. So ang meaning na to is agreement between people og law. Dili sa nga gina-follow nila ang law tungod kay balaod og rule. Gina-follow nila ang balaod tungod kay kanang may kamayo sa kalaganan. Like for example, ikaw rider, gatabok ka sa crossing nga na traffic light. O kabalo ka sa imong kagalingon nga pwede nimo itabok tungod kay mingaw. But red light man mao may balaod. Gi-follow nimo ang balaod to prevent accident sa karsada. And the last stage is the principle. Like for example kini, ako nakadungog og tingog sa bata sa akong silingan. So ako, akong prinsipyo tabangan gyud na ako nga bata. So ako, akong gibuhat giadto ko silang balay, gisudlan ako ilang balay para tabangan tong bata. But ang balaod kigaingon nga entering a private place without an permission of the owner is an illegal, which is the trespassing. So mo to siya example. So that's all of my part in our topic. So thank you.
Good day everyone, this is Patrick Janim Apostol and I'm the last presenter of this group and I'm about to discuss the conclusion of this topic. Moral development begins in early childhood. It develops through different stages. Each stage shows how moral reasoning becomes more mature. Understanding these stages help us understand behavior. So this means ang moral development daw magsugod sa early childhood kung asa ang mga bata nagsugod og kat-on sa mga kalainan sa sakto ug sayop. While gadako ang usa ka tawo, moagi siya sa lain-laing stages nga naghulma sa iyang pagsabot sa rules, fairness ug responsibilidad. Ang each stages napakita ug unsaon pang mas mature ang moral reasoning sa usa ka tawo. Pinaagi sa pagsabot niini, ang mga stages mas masabtan nato kung ngano nga naglihok ug nagbuhat ang mga tao sa ilang mga desisyon. So that's all for our report. Thank you. God